Okay, so I have a SnackSurprise box which has come this morning. I've just opened it, haven't actually seen what's inside it yet. SnackSurprise is a subscription service where you receive a box each month, and it's a complete surprise as to what nationality those snacks actually come from. This box is the regular one. I believe they now have a premium box they've just released. So anyway, let's see what's inside. Okay, so Germany is the country of April. Okay, so what have we got inside here? Okay, so you have to excuse me because I don't speak any German at all. So this is a Haribo, and it's the iconic sherbet candy ready to drink. Your box can include this refreshing drink in 2 different flavours, raspberry or blueberry. So these look like they're basically peanut butter puffs, maize snacks, and yep, a salty puffed corn snack made with real peanuts, crunchy in the bite but tender in the mouth. They're simply delicious. Cool. Nopperz. So Nopperz nut bar, a wafer bar with milk and nugget cream, chopped hazelnuts and caramel covered with delicious milk chocolate. Cool, that looks good. Rib. Crisps fish. Nice. So these are classic crisps which are seasoned with inimitable spice from Hungarian sun-ripened peppers. Nice, a bit different. Oh, I know these. Pickup. Triple chocolate pickup. And these are a double biscuit bar with delicious cream filling. Your box may include black and white, triple choc or classic choco flavour. So this is obviously the triple chocolate one. I think I've had black and white before. Corny Big. Some sort of peanut bar. It's a granola bar with milk chocolate. If you're lucky, your box may include a choco banana flavour, which includes banana pieces too. Oh right, yeah, this has got banana in it. Cool. Choco banana. And this Ritter Sport Mini. So I've seen these as well before. So this one's a delicious chocolate bar with a tasty filling. Your box may include a crispy cornflakes, nugget or crispy biscuit filled chocolate bar. So this one is obviously the flakes, the cornflakes. Nopperz. So this bar consists of 3 wafer layers coated with milk chocolate. In between there are 2 delicious layers of milk and hazelnut cream. Nice. Knickknacks, the double crunch peanuts. Not how we know Knickknacks. Peanuts in a crispy batter with a spicy seasoning. Your box could include either original or barbecue flavour. I'm guessing these are the originals. Of course, wouldn't be completely like Haribo, since that is actually, I'm pretty sure, is German. Troppi Frutti. So you could either have the Troppi Frutti or Picoballa. And Troppi Frutti are soft fruit gums in tropical shapes and flavours. Picoballa are fruit gums with filling. Nice. I think this is the last item. Ballisto. Brie. So Ballisto yogurt and berry mix. So there's 2 bars in here. Wholemeal biscuit bars with wild berry yogurt cream and milk chocolate coating. Nice. That's it. So there's quite a bit in there, to be fair. I believe it's £9.99 a month, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong, because I can't actually remember. Not too bad, but your premium box will include all of that. Oh, one just fell on the floor. Would include all of that along with this here. So actually, you get a lot as well in the premium box. You know, popcorn, more crispy bits, another one sort of yogurt type bars, and another drink as well. So overall, I think, you know, this is a pretty worthwhile box. I've actually subscribed 3 months at a time, so we'll see how we go with those 3 months, and I might actually upgrade it to the bigger box after the 3 months. So yeah. So there we go, that was the box from Germany from this month's Snack Surprise. See you again soon.